Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 803 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitfarms, DMGI Blockchain Solutions, and DigiHost Technologies have shared financial results from 2021. Just before we get into the show, however, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq as BITF, has reported its financial results for the quarter ended December 31st, 2021. Some highlights include the mining of 1,045 bitcoins for the quarter and 3,453 bitcoins for the year, as well as quarterly revenues of $60 million USD. Regarding plans for expansion in 2022, the company's president and COO, Jeff Morphy, said, quote, "As we develop our farms, we assess the cost-effectiveness of our expansion on an ongoing basis. In Argentina, we are reviewing the short-term and long-term impact of higher global energy prices witnessed since the start of 2022 and our ability to utilize up to 210 megawatts of infrastructure capacity in 2022 at previously anticipated rates. Opportunities are being assessed continually in all of our current geographic regions to implement cost-effective growth in light of market conditions." End quote. DMGI Blockchain Solutions, Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker DMGI, has shared its Q1 2022 filings for the quarter ended December 31st, 2021. Highlights include revenues of $14.2 million. This is an increase of 639% over the year prior. 432 bitcoins held as of December 31st, 2021, and $119 million in total assets as of December 31st, 21. The company's CEO Sheldon Bennett said the following, quote, "A tremendous amount of work has gone in by the entire team to reach these results. For the first time, the company is posting strong financial gains, and we believe this will continue through many more quarters due to our large investment in new mining equipment. The whole team is focused on operational excellence for this new fleet of servers, as well as working hard to launch several new software solutions throughout the year." End quote. DigiHost Technology, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as DGHI, has announced its audited financial results for the year ended December 31st, 2021, as well as an operations update. Some highlights include fiscal year revenues of $24.95 million. This is up 602% over the year prior, and total assets of $80.03 million, up 384% from December 31st, 2020. Michel Amar, the chairman and CEO of DigiHost, said, quote, "The record-breaking results achieved by our team clearly illustrate the growth trajectory of DigiHost as measured by the significant improvement in 2021 operating performance relative to 2020. DigiHost's management team executed on the board's strategic growth plan through the acquisition of new high-performance Bitcoin miners, entering into strategic partnerships, and securing access to clean and renewable sources of power consistent with DigiHost's stated objective of fostering environmentally and socially responsible growth. I am happy to report that the momentum generated in 2021 has continued into 2022 as we work towards meeting our goal of being a leading blockchain technology company." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.